Hello again. This is yet another part of programming Pabot. Last time, actually, when I pushed my changes to the master repository in GitHub, my uh, tests that are executed by Travis actually got a bug or found a bug. So there's a bug in the implementation that I did last time, uh, and I need to fix that. I also discovered that or figured out that the hash command I previously did had the data sources there also, which was already handled in the previous get hash of dirs. So that actually solves the data sources, so I don't need to do that. So I actually already removed that. But yeah, so the problem here is that we have a bug that is present in the Python 3. It's not present in the Python 2. So basically this digest thing here needs an encoding for Unicode objects. And I can do my test also locally and run them. So this is executing them on Python 3. So just showing quite briefly that I can get the bug also or see the bug also on my machine. Yeah, so that's there. The Unicode object must be encoded before hashing. So that's on line 385, which is here. So hash directory from there gets this thing. And actually I can reuse the digest inside of here. So I don't need to do this like at all. So hash directory, and we will the digest also there. So now I get it here. I reuse that. I don't need to return anything. And then I do that. So let's see what happens now. Yeah, this run test sh is actually using like a very clean version of Python as it's running inside of a virtual environment that actually makes it a bit slower to execute these test cases through it. Okay, yeah, there's another point where this same thing is Unicode objects must be encoded before hashing, and it's actually happening on this one. So I need to encode that to something UTF-8. See what happens. Oh, okay, it's on wrong thing. Yeah, should do that for the representation. Encode should have update there. Let's do once more. 3. Okay, so the tests actually passed now. I'll just run the same test also with Python 2 and see that it's also going to work. There. Doesn't exist. Okay. Just use the normal Python there. So this should also work on Python 2.7. Okay, so it seems that everything's okay. So I'll just commit changes. So hash directory, hash command, and yeah, I removed the data sources from there. I'm not going to commit the run tests sh changes because I'm interested mostly in Python 3 nowadays. So now I should have now quite clean commit. So fix encoding problems. Yeah. Just going to also run my module and see that it still works. So first time it regenerates and the switch names is, yeah, there's like 2 hashes, one for the directories and another for the options even. So for example, if I use something like exclude, well, yeah, exclude foobar, now it should regenerate, yeah. And it should change the second hash code, yeah. This is the hash code that changed. Okay, so that works. Yeah, so we can go now straight to the third hash that I was thinking about, and this is about the file itself. So where is it? Yeah, so whenever this file, this Pabot suite names changes, basically what is here is changed. I should maybe regenerate. So I have to check that all the suites that were there at the beginning are there all already, so that this file actually is self correctly take correct version. So it's like a checksum for the file itself. So what we should check here basically is these suites, and one thing that I want this hash to do is that it shouldn't actually matter in which order these things are, but that I can do later on. So Pabot with names